myself Abhishek. As we know, data is the new oil nowadays, so all the data related technologies are most in demand. So here let me ask you one question about your inspiration. Are you excited about to learn big data technologies like Hadoop or Spark? If yes, you are at right place. So let's talk about something your instructor. So your instructor is me, Abhishek Gupta, and I'm working as a big data engineer in one of the MNC and I'm holding around 10 years of experience. I have worked on various projects using the Hadoop technologies and the Spark framework. Apart from this, I'm also delivering many training in various MNC and online sessions, seminar that I have delivered so far. So what we are going to cover as part of this course? So here at part of this course, we are going to build a real-time data pipeline. So for that, we are going to use Spark, Hadoop, and Kafka. Here, we are going for in-depth conceptual knowledge for each of the topic, whether it is Hadoop, Spark, or Kafka. Parallelly, we will do all the practicals on virtual machine or on any cloud-based system like AWS or GCP based on real-time scenario and the use cases. Apart from this, we will also cover various assignments and quizzes to evaluate yourself, and that is quite interesting. At the last, we will design a complete ETL pipeline from ingestion to loading of the data by using various transformation, cleansing, staging, and the validations. So what we are going to cover in Hadoop ecosystem? So in Hadoop ecosystem, we are going to cover various components like Scoop, Peak, Hive, MapReduce, HBase, Yarn, and all. Coming to the Spark framework. So in Spark framework, we are going to cover Spark along with the Scala and Python API. And majorly, we will focus on the Spark core, Spark SQL, and the Spark streaming. So in Spark streaming, we will use the Kafka as an ingestion tool and we will do over all the processing. So this course has been designed in a wide range so that all the people, whether you are a fresh graduate, a developer, senior developer, or the architect, you can leverage this course and get into the big data world. So what you are waiting for? Let's start a happy learning. And I'm delighted to see you in my big data world.